Hello friends, welcome to Otica Meditronics company. Today we are going to demonstrate how to use the Oxymed 10 liter dual outlet oxygen concentrator. We have just unboxed the new machine. We are just going to remove this poly bag. You can see the machine comes like this. The machine is quite very heavy, so it means the compressor is of heavy duty. The machine comes with the one more outlet here on the top. So you have two flow meter here. So this is the dual outlet oxygen concentrator with the capacity of 0 to 10 liter per minute outlet capacity. Now we will take a look at the accessories provided by the company. You can see this is the oxygen concentrator user manual, one black color filter which will be replaced from the bottom side of the machine. These two tubes are provided which will be connected in between the machine and the humidifier bottle. Next, company has given us this two humidifier bottle. Then company has given us this two nasal cannula. Then company has given us this nebulizer mask. Company has also provided this main inlet oxygen filter. So the device is quite useful and comes with all the required accessories. Company has also provided this standby machine bottle stand. This stand will be going to connect on this side. You have to connect it like this and fix it like this. So you can connect oxygen bottle, or we can say water humidifier bottle here. Now I will demonstrate. This bottle will going to be connect here. You have to fill water inside in between minimum and maximum line, and you have to keep this bottle here and you have to tighten it like this. Now it comes to this connecting tubes. These two tubes are going to be connected into the device. We will go step by step. First we are connecting. This tube is going to connect here from this to the top of the humidifier bottle. Please make sure this tube is connected here and not here. Now we are also connecting the same thing with our main filter. Company has given one more space of humidifier bottle. The same this bottle you have to connect. You have to fill the water in between minimum and maximum line, and you will have to put the bottle here. Again same thing, you have to connect this tube from this to the main outlet provided here on this. So now the machine, we have connected tube from machine to the humidifier bottle. I will also demonstrate you. On the bottom side you can see there are two openable shutters provided by the company, and company has provided us a standby filters. So this is a normal air filter. You have to clean this filter with water and you have to dry it in the sun, and then you can reapply it. After 6 or 7 months you have to replace it with this. Company has provided you the same filter as a standby same filter. Now the filter will going to connect like this. You have to connect it like this. Company has given us one more inlet here. This is the main inlet filter to the machine. So you can see this is the filter. You don't need to clean this filter. This is not a cleanable. You have to replace this after 2000 hours of usage of this machine. Company has provided standby filter. So now the device is ready to use. We are going to connect this device. Company has provided this main AC cable. This cable is going to connect on the back side of the machine. So we are going to now connect it to our electricity board. You can see now we reset the machine. Okay, so now the the device we have switched on. Main device switch is provided here. You can off it from here. You can switch it on from here. Now you can see total run time. This is 000, which means the machine is brand new, and this is the nebulizer port. If you want to start nebulizer, or if you want a compressed air, you have to tight this. So you can see you will receive a nebulization compressed air. So you have to connect the nebulizer mask here. This will be keep in a very loose condition. This is like this only. They have provided a valve and a nozzle. So you have to apply nozzle like this. You have to put it like this, and you just need to tight this. Whenever you pull tight that nozzle, then it will start giving pressurized air. Otherwise it will be in a loose condition. Now you can see this is one flow meter. You can adjust the flow from this. You have to, if you want to use both the oxygen outlet, you can use it for 2 patients. If you have only 1 patient to be used, you have to use this main outlet. This main outlet you can keep the device from 0 to 10 liter per minute as per the requirement of the patient. So we have keep it at 4 liter. You can see machine is giving oxygen from this. Oxygen is going to this humidifier bottle and it is coming out from here. Now make sure if you are using the device for 1 patient only, then you have to keep this on, but make sure you have to keep this at 0 LPM so that there will be no air coming out from here. So this outlet will be off, only this outlet will be on. Now suppose if you have 2 patients and you have to apply oxygen to 2 patients, then you have to switch this on as well as this on as per your requirement of the flow. So the device is very useful. You can increase the time if you want to set a run time. Like if you want to keep it for 1 hour, you can set a time from here. This is the menu button, and the device is quite good enough. Now we will consider this device as the best possible available device for 10 liter per minute. You can see oxygen is coming from here. Now we are going to check the purity of this oxygen concentrator. We are going to connect this third-party manufactured oxygen analyzer. So we are keeping this device at 2 liter per minute, and we will keep the device off here. We will keep this outlet off at 0, and we are going to measure the oxygen outlet from this machine. So we are just connected the machine. This machine will take at least 20 to 30 seconds to be stabilized. You can see the oxygen outlet of this Oxymed Ma Oxy 10. Oxygen purity is 93% at 3 liter per minute. Now we are going to increase the level of oxygen, or we can increase the flow rate. We have keep the flow rate at 10 LPM. You can see our flow rate is at 10 LPM, and you can see still the machine is giving you the oxygen purity at 94%. So we can say this is a medical grade oxygen concentrator, and it gives you the pure oxygen which is the requirement of the patient and which will fulfill the requirement of COPD patient, or we can say any of the patient. Thank you very much for your patience.